Hello, this is Veronica from Latin United for Better Health with information of the risks of smoking and the benefits you and your loved ones get when you quit smoking. Tobacco use is the leading cause of preventable disease, disability, and death in the United States. As of 2018, about 34 million U.S. adults smoked cigarettes. Every day, about 2,000 young people under age 18 smoke their first cigarette, and more than 300 become daily cigarette smokers. Over 16 million people live with at least one disease caused by smoking, and 58 million non-smoking Americans are exposed to secondhand smoke. These include an increased risk for heart disease and lung cancer among adults. For babies and children, risks include respiratory infections, ear infections, and sudden infant death syndrome. Nearly 10 of every 100 Hispanics smoke. According to the American Cancer Society, 1 in 22 Hispanic males and 1 in 15 Hispanic females double the risk of lung cancer when smoking. Lung cancer is expected to account for about 16% of cancer death in Hispanic male and 13% in Hispanic female. By not smoking, you help protect family, friends, and co-workers from health risks associated with breathing secondhand smoke. Quitting smoking at any age has benefits. If you quit smoking, you will breathe better and it will be easier to be active. Your visits to the doctor's office will reduce. Your risk for a heart attack drops sharply just 1 year after you quit smoking. After 2 to 5 years, your chance for stroke could fall to about the same as a non-smokers. Your risk for other conditions including ulcer, cancer of the larynx, lung, and cervix are reduced after quitting. You could save $3,400 a year when stop smoking. What you pay for your insurance premium could be reduced as well. Think of the many benefits you get when quitting smoking. We know quitting smoking is not an easy task to do. We are here to help you in your journey on quitting smoking. Contact us at https://Latin United for Better Health at lufh.org or at 617-455-5555. Thanks for listening.